Well, it's time for summer fun. Artsy Abode can help you make a splash with great fashion and accessories. And we have Leah Lytle. She is here joining us. She's the founder and CEO of Artsy Abode. Welcome to the show.
Hi.
We always love having you here.
I
this
love
is always
being here.
fun.
Yeah.
So let's talk about your company. You are local, and I think that's super important.
Absolutely. So I started this 13 years ago. Our first store was at the St. John's Town Center. My goal was to have an amazing store where you go in and it just blows you away and you find all your favorite things plus things that you've never seen anywhere else.
Let's be blown away because we want to take a look right now. I love that. It makes me so happy always to look at that. I love that because you have so many great brands in one spot, which is really fun. So you can just go in and buy a ton of stuff for a ton of different gifts. But let's talk about, we've got some summer fashion on the horizon. Let's talk about this.
We love summer and we love
the colors.
Yeah, so you put a mer in front of anything and it makes it a mermaid type of thing. So we're gonna mermake your summer with some mermaid fashion. So t-shirts of course are great, and this is summer casual. This is our unique line of mermaid shirts. Of course, Mermaid in the USA. What a fabulous patriotic shirt for you. Gotta have it for Memorial Day weekend, you gotta have it for
4th of July.
4th of July, you name it. And then of course the shirts that have to do with, you know, drinking or whatnot, they always do fabulous. So
sure, because everybody's on the boat for summer. Everybody wants to be outside. Yeah, definitely.
And speaking of boat, okay, this is a brand of hats that we have. This is called Wallaroo. I've been wearing a Wallaroo hat for over a decade. What they do is they actually adjust here so that you can adjust this and it doesn't fall off you on the boat.
Let me see this.
So you can go like,
let me see this. I want to try
60
it on.
miles an hour and you don't lose your hat.
Oh,
Isn't
so
that
I see. I feel it. Oh yeah,
it's
it actually does. You can pull it. It is really comfortable inside.
So here's the thing. This is the best thing. You ready? I don't want to mess up your hair.
Oh,
okay, crushable too. So
throw
you're
it in
traveling,
the suitcase.
you just throw that. And like I said, I've had mine for 10 years. I know that sounds kind of gross, but I imagine I've washed it a few times.
No, then it's perfect.
So,
it's all broken in.
Yeah,
I like
so we have the full section of those at our stores. And then, so we love mermaids so much. I have a store called So Mermazing in St. Augustine. And so we have our own brand, and I know we wanted to show you some more on that brand.
Well, let's take a look at that. And Leah, we were talking about earlier how the St. Augustine location, it's #1.
It is. So our St. Augustine, it's called So Mermazing. We have 2 locations on King Street and on St. George Street. And just last week, we were #1 retail destination in St. Augustine on TripAdvisor, which is huge.
That's a big deal.
It is, and it's a fabulous place. And of course, like there's everything mermaid and So Mermazing. And I know we're going to show you some of those other things too.
Okay, so let's move on. There's some colorful things behind me. So this is MudPie.
This is MudPie. Okay. This is MudPie Mermaid Fashion. We have baby MudPie. We have these awesome, I know you want to wear this, right?
I want to wear all of these.
She can wear this. So you throw this on and then you can run around, run around shopping. But we've got swimwear, we've got casual wear, and of course then we have the little dollies to match. So you want to bring a little girl in for a magical trip, come and bring them in.
Oh my goodness,
I know,
look how cute this is. Well, we had a little one in the studio earlier.
She grabbed it.
And she went right for this. And look at the purple hair, the mermaid hair. How precious is that? Oh my God, adorable.
Yeah, so that's MudPie, and this is at our St. Augustine and our Town Center locations. And of course, since we're having a huge Memorial Day sale, it's all 20% off this weekend, so it's great.
Stuff. Yeah. Okay, and then I didn't know that you had little baby clothing. You have little
mermaid,
Isn't that adorable?
And I love MudPie, and we have a lot of that, and so it's it's just fantastic.
Super fun. And these are great, and these are easy to wear, easy to wash.
I haven't tried it myself.
Well, but the little ones, I love it.
It's 3T and up.
Easy.
We can put it on a leg, maybe.
They always make the cutest things for the kids, I tell you.
Exactly.
That's so unfair. All right, so moving on, let's go on to Jack Rogers.
Okay, Jack Rogers is synonymous with Southern and summer fashion and class. And so what we love about these, this is the jelly, which jellies, you know, were hot in the 80s.
Still are.
They're hot again.
Still hot.
And the great thing about Jack Rogers jellies, you know, Jacks are, you know, $100 plus. These are $49.
Ooh, I like that.
Yes, so great. And what we also love, and we're showing here, we actually have rose gold, we have metallic, and they have glitter. Look at the glitter. They have glitter in them.
The best part is,
does it get any better than
the
that?
jelly material is plastic, so you can wear them at the beach, get wet on the boat, or easy.
And don't forget, store-wide sale, you got to get a few of these this weekend.
Speaking of sale, let's talk about Pandora, because this is super important. Everybody wants that.
Never happened before. Pandora Memorial Day free bracelet event. That is it right there. They literally screamed at us when we were taking that, because they're like, wait, we're gonna need that. So this is St. John's Town Center, all Artsy Abode locations with Pandora. You only have to spend $100 and you get a free $75 bangle. It's an amazing deal. And of course, Memorial Day is all about shopping. And not only that, but you also have to come into the Artsy stores, because we're doing a huge store-wide sale with 20% off store-wide.
And there we go. It's right there, 20% off. So Memorial Day weekend promo for sure. We've got to hit that for Memorial Day. 20% off at, the entire store, which, you know, I was in yesterday. And I took advantage of that for all of the gifts that I had to get right now. I know. We'd love to, thank you so much. We appreciate it. And we'd love to thank Artsy Abode for sponsoring this segment. All you have to do is stop by one of their locations or visit artsyabode.com.